Good afternoon, everybody. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jamie Lewis and I'm the exec chef for CCT Venues in London. Now, I know we're all at home due to this dreadful situation with the coronavirus. We're all on lockdown, so sadly you can't taste any of our food when you come to our venues. So what I hope to do for the next few weeks is cook a few dishes to share with you. I'll share the recipes and show you some simple things that you can do at home using some leftovers, using some fresh ingredients, using up basically whatever you have. And then hopefully when we reopen, you can come and join us and try these for yourselves. Okay, so here we have some basic ingredients which are found in my fridge and cupboard. I've got a tin of chickpeas, some parsley, a few peppers, a courgette, some green beans, tomato, and a little bit of curry spice blend which I've made myself, but you could use a curry powder, and some garlic, and good old-fashioned ingredient, tomato ketchup. I'm also going to be using some oil, salt and pepper, and a touch of vinegar and a pinch of sugar. So the dish I'm going to create for you today is a spiced falafel cake with a few sauteed green veg and a lovely tomato relish just to complement that all. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is toast off our chickpeas in a hot pan to remove some of that excess moisture. Give it a shake. There's no oil in here whatsoever, and the idea is to dry them out as much as possible. This gives the chickpeas a lovely toasted nutty flavour. The next stage is to add a teaspoon of garlic puree and then blend. It should look like this because we want a few crushed peas and a few whole ones, which add texture and gives the dish a great eating quality. Using wet hands, wet clean hands, I might add, bring the mix together and roll into balls. Place each ball on a flat surface or on your chopping board. And you want golf ball size. This is the ideal size. Roll each ball in between your hands like this to get a lovely shape. Squeezing all the time so the smashed chickpeas blend with the whole ones or the crushed ones. And then gently pat them out. Flatten them slightly and turn them round. Keep them moving all the time. Once our cakes have been shaped and moulded, the best thing to do is to chill them in the fridge for at least an hour. So it gives them time to firm and set up and makes pan frying a lot easier. Add a drop of oil to the pan, and then your diced courgettes. Keeping them on the move, and we want to brown them slightly.